Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect ChatGPT with Google Drive. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. ChatGPT has proven to be valuable tool for word research, assignments, and projects. OpenAI's chatbot is available on most smartphones, tablets, and computers. Another feature that makes the tool handy is the ability to analyze documents, allowing you to upload files to ChatGPT for quick summaries or data manipulation. There's an easy way to add files thanks to ChatGPT integration with Google Drive. So in this video, I will show you how to use Google Drive with ChatGPT, how to connect your ChatGPT with Google Drive. It's very simple. First you have to put our ChatGPT. You can log in into your account with your smartphones or on your computers. Now from here you can go to settings, click on your profile. Now select on settings. From here you can go to connected apps. You can select on connected apps. You'll find there is an option like Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive for work or school. This app will allow you to add files to ChatGPT messages. Now you can select on connect on Google Drive. You can choose your account, your Drive account. Select on continue. So now your account is connected with Google Drive. It's very simple, right? So you can upload Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and other files from your Drive to ChatGPT. It's very simple, right? So that is how to connect your Google Drive to ChatGPT. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!